Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes. As founders of a modest adventure wear brand WOMMO, a big part of our job is creating lots of adventure content. So join us on our content creation day at Mahurangi Regional Park. Yes, it's Ramadan. Yes, we are fasting. And yes, only losers take a break. Jokes, but no, the show must go on. So buckle up for a day packed with adventure and maybe a few surprises along the way.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. We are on the road again, heading out to nature. Ramadan Mubarak. So yes, we are heading out adventuring in the middle of Ramadan. Are we gonna be doing hiking? I don't know, stay tuned and find out for yourself. But we're actually mixing some business and pleasure today. We are founders of WOMMO, modest adventure wear brand for women. And a part of our work includes us heading out into nature and getting lots of content for Reels and TikToks and YouTube Shorts, you name it. And of course, you can follow me on all of those platforms if you want to see what we capture on trips like this. It's at Veronica Adali across the board. And the brand is WOMMO, and you can find us at WOMMO.co, and our website is also WOMMO.co. We started this brand because we want modesty-loving Muslim and hijabi women to get out there and spend more time outdoors feeling comfortable. And in order for them to do that, they need to be dressed for success, so to say, and wear breathable and comfortable gear that not only covers them but works really well and can keep up with those adventures. But I'm going to take you behind the scenes today, so stay tuned. We just got to Mahurangi Regional Park and it's so busy. We usually come here off season, and right now it's the long weekend and the weather is beautiful, so I can't blame people for getting out of the house and coming to beautiful spots like this one. The kids are still sleeping, so we're going to wait for them to wake up and give them some food. We're not having any food. We're fasting, but the kids, they can have plenty of food.
Welcome to Mahurangi Regional Park. We discovered it last year and instantly fell in love with this amazing spot. If you hate beaches with crystal clear waters, native forests and scenic views, then it might not be for you. But if you're looking to step into a whole new world just a short drive from the city, it's definitely worth checking out. When you're not fasting, pack a picnic to enjoy in a cozy spot by the beach and just chill, enjoying the beauty of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's creation. And if you're feeling adventurous, hike up to the most amazing lookout for the perfect escape from your usual weekend routine. This is the place to explore. Also, check out our reactions to this park when we first discovered it in this vlog.
Got my gear, got my change of clothes, my costumes. It's time to get some work done. And of course, my changing tint. And we are ready to go. There's actually quite a few people at the beach, so we have to do it all dressed like this. And yep, people will stare, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And by the way, this is how I used to dress when I first put the hijab on in 2015, I had to come up with makeshift solutions and just grab what I had, which is like a men's rash top, my husband's board shorts, swim leggings, which probably only come in like bright colors and like really bright patterns. So you end up looking like this. And a swim hijab. Well, I didn't know they existed in 2015. At least here in New Zealand, they were not a thing. So I just had to do with the regular hijab. So this used to be my swim outfit. Was it flattering? No. Did it do the job? I don't know, kind of. But yeah, not a good look. This struggle is what inspired me to start designing water swimwear. And alhamdulillah, we've come a long way in 8 years. And outfit change. And this is my current water swimwear, which I prefer. Yep, this is our swim and splash collection. It's a 5-piece collection, so you can easily mix and match for your ideal coverage. Currently I'm wearing 3 pieces: swim leggings, swim tunic, and the swim hijab. And this hijab is amazing because you can style it whichever way that you like it. But yeah, I'm going to film this outfit and then we're going to move on to another spot. We wrapped up at the beach and now I get to reward myself with a refreshing swim. Look at how blue the water is. Are you ready? We're gonna take a dive. The water is perfect. Oh. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
We are right in the middle of autumn, so the weather is all over the place. In the morning, it's total sweater weather. By midday, it feels like summer, and this afternoon is obviously perfect for swimming. I love swimming with all my heart, so it's always such a treat to get a swim in, knowing winter is just around the corner, and every swim could be my last one for the season.
Just perfect. We just hiked all the way up here from down there. Jokes. We just parked over there. The beauty of this spot is that you can park on the road and walk to the most beautiful lookout. You can hike from down there, and we did that before. We actually did that last year. I'm gonna link the video over here. You can check it out. But yeah, you can hike from the beach up here, but there's also an amazing option. You can park on the road and walk up here and enjoy the view. And over here, 360 view is absolutely stunning. It's so handy when you're fasting. You don't have to hike up to enjoy this beautiful view. Another very exciting thing happened recently. We reached 100,000 subscribers. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for your support. If you've been with me from day one, like I started this channel 5 years ago, or you just recently joined the journey. I started talking on this channel about business, about faith, and it changed and evolved and it grew with me. And alhamdulillah, there are more than 100,000 of you now in my corner of the internet, and I really appreciate your support. This channel has been a lot of fun and a lot of learning. It's just been the best 5 years of my life. Alhamdulillah, I really appreciate your support. And of course, I couldn't do this without you. 1 hour left until iftar, and we're in a mad rush to get back because we have family dinner. We wanted to leave a little bit earlier, but that didn't work out, but it's okay. Hopefully there's no traffic on a Sunday afternoon, evening. But we got everything done, almost everything done. I think I need to go back to my list, but I feel like it's been a productive day and we got to enjoy the outdoors and get a lot of things done at the same time. Okay, I'm just gonna enjoy this view for a little bit longer.
What a productive day it's been, alhamdulillah. Being outdoors today, I somehow felt way less hungry and thirsty compared to my usual days working in the office. Here's an unpopular opinion though. Fasting feels easier when you know exactly when your next meal will be. Unfortunately, that's not a reality for many around the world, including our brothers and sisters in Gaza who are facing hunger. Like you and me, they are fasting this Ramadan, but they don't know if they'll have food for iftar. I've teamed up with Human Concern International, and we have a dedicated team on the ground tirelessly providing vital aid to people in Gaza. Let's come together and make a real difference this month. Every little bit counts. So please check out the link in the description for more information on how you can contribute. Thank you so much for tuning in and joining us on our content creation day in nature. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hijabi adventures in New Zealand.